It is 5 o'clock in the evening, 28th December, and the storm seems to be over. That's my car. We got about like 2 feet of snow this time. Over 2 feet, I guess. Coming out of the house. Here. Sorry. Walking in my neighborhood. It's time for me to go out and get some bread. Hope the roads are okay. All slishy, sloshy. There's our house. It's still cold, but thank God the storm is over. The roads seem to be fine. Not so fine. There's ice and snow everywhere. Uh-oh. I dug my car out yesterday and now it's back in again. Maybe I have to bring out the shovel. Maybe I'll switch the car on. Just 1 second. To heat up the car in the meantime, I guess. I will be shoveling this part too. Tonight, I guess. As you can see, a good 2 feet out here. I'm stuck. 1 second. Got out. Yeah, the storm is finally over. I don't feel the winds like yesterday night. And it has stopped snowing. And I hope it doesn't snow anymore, because I can't take it anymore. My car was just like this, all buried up yesterday. This guy has to dig it out. Here's the neighborhood. It looks much better in the daytime, you know, when the snow is like, you know, excuse me, a beautiful white blanket and the sun shines over it. It gives a very nice reflection. But it's evening right now. I'm gonna try to get in. Let me see. Hopefully I'll be able to get out. Okay. My seatbelt on. I'll have to come on and shovel that extra snow. Anyway, I just wanted to get a shot of the snow blizzard this winter season, and I have to head out to get some food. So see you next time. Bye.